Hey there, Richard.
Hello.
How are you?
Fine.
Good, good. So you were here today and the past couple of days for the traderscoach.com
Right.
Trading Summit 2021. Tell us a little bit about what you learned here.
Oh, it was great. I've been a client for a few years, and it's always nice to have a review and go back to basics and remembering all the unique and different ways we could use the software.
Excellent, excellent. And you actually were here last year, weren't you?
That's right. I was here before.
Which I guess it means you liked it. So
I was looking forward to coming back.
Great, great. Well, we're so thrilled that you're here. Tell me a little bit about the markets that you like to trade.
I do both future markets and equity markets. In the futures, I do short-term day trade, future markets, and then I have my different position trades and investment trades. And the art software helps me with all of it.
Fantastic. And what do you think about, there's probably a crash coming. You think the software is going to help you navigate that?
Oh, definitely. Definitely. I'm glad Ben really lets us know the points to look out for, so you know exactly what's going to happen when.
Awesome, awesome. And I guess the summit too sort of helped you kind of get a feel for where are we with regard to the timeline of a possible crash. Did that help at all?
Oh, certainly, yeah. Yeah, you definitely want to be aware, have your eyes open, be able to maneuver and maneuver your portfolio in the right way before something major happens.
Awesome, awesome. Well, I know you were here last year and you're here this year. What do you think? Are you going to be back next year?
Oh, sure. You can't get rid of me.
Sounds good. All right.
And you both, Jean and Ben, are such great people to be with, and really warm and friendly and knowledgeable of the markets.
Well, we're thrilled to have you here, Richard, and can't wait to see you next year.
Yeah, I can't wait to be here.
Okay. Bye now.
Bye-bye.